Hey guys, I got here a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade. Now this took me a minute to figure out and it can be quite frustrating, but it's very doable and it's a lot easier than you think. So of course your first thought here is that it won't come off because it won't rotate enough to get the blade off, right? Well, that's an easy fix. You got a cover right here and it actually is removable by hand. It's just plastic, it snaps right off. So you put that aside. And then all you gotta do is rotate this up and it'll get 90 degrees, okay? And then this thing right here, you just wanna turn it back and you're gonna hear it snap. So listen, okay? So it snapped off, and then from there, you basically just pull it straight out to the right. And as you can see, that little bar in the center fits right here in that little groove, okay? So then replacement is just basically the opposite process. You just gotta take that, just like you took it off, the new blade, and you want to snap it right in place, all right? And then when you turn it, you're gonna hear it snap into place here, all right? And then you're down, and then you just replace the cover, and you are good to go. Don't forget to take the plastic strip off the new one. And that is how to replace a rear wiper blade in a 2011 and up Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button. Comment if you want. Subscribe to the channel. If you haven't, I'm going to keep on coming out with more useful tips like this. So you guys stay safe. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you.